raise energy and help people through my music. I'm not just, making it to make it. And I'm doing a sort of band-powered video where I have this song online. It's on SoundCloud. It's also on my CD. And I'm having different people just take a video of themselves lip-syncing to it and send me a paragraph about like something they've done to overcome a hardship in their life. And I'm going to stitch everything together and put people's paragraphs in and just make this super empowering video of like how people took control of their lives. So if you would like to be in it, you can.
Sign me up.
So yeah, facebook.com/RorieKellyMusic. I have that on cards back there if it's too much to remember. I have all the details there, and the deadline is like 2 weeks from now, something like that. I'm hoping to get this put out in early May. Anyway, I'll stop babbling on. This is If You Teach a Bird to Sing. If you teach a bird to sing, she gonna learn to fly. If you let her sing, she gonna fly. If you let her sing, she gonna fly away. If you teach a bird to sing, she gonna learn to fly. If you let her sing, she gonna fly. If you let her sing, she gonna fly away. You think you got it, cage of brass and a lock and a key. You think she's too dumb to set herself free, but the fact that you're locking her up shows you're the dummy. You think you're all of that and a bag full of chips, but you gotta control just to get your kicks. And the fact that you're locking her up shows you're the dummy. And if you teach a bird to sing, she gon' learn to fly. If you let her sing, she gonna fly. If you let her sing, she gonna fly away. And if you teach a bird to sing, she'll learn to fly. If you let her sing, she gonna fly. If you let her sing, she gonna fly away. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And you try to pretend it's the way that I am, that I'm built this way just to wanna please. But I got some ideas of my own that don't include you. 'Cause I see sky out my window, and the sun is rising, 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 just like I will. 'Cause I see sky